Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have that nice black hood deflector, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some green accents, plenty of door space, carpet interior with some floor mats, cup holders, 12-volt, and of course you got 2 USB seats, and you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, lights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8.7 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You even get storage underneath. Storage here with some outlets. Vinyl wrap central console with even more storage underneath. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Nice little coin slot. We got our climate controls right here. 12-volt, and you even get storage here. No, not storage. Some outlets. Got storage above with an F-150 logo. Storage below. We got your media controls with your backup camera, hazards, and traction, and we even get storage above here as well. Looking here, we have our audio, which does have our normal AM, FM, and we do get, if it wants to load, Bluetooth capabilities. You got your phone, fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, whatever you've selected there. Apps in general, such as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35139, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.